Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new meat slicers. Now the size on this one is going to be 7.5 inch for this meat slicer. Okay, now this unit slicer is going to be certified by the health department. So if you follow me over here to the back, you can locate a sticker with all the info on this meat slicer, including your certification. You'll be able to locate the model, voltage, which is going to be 110 volt standard US plug located on the side of the unit. Okay, so it's going to be a manual meat slicer. You have a thickness adjuster here on the side, blade sharpener over here on the top. Obviously you got your handle right here, other pieces that will be included for this meat slicer. You'll also be provided with a manual. Okay, so if you have any questions, all the information on this meat slicer is going to be on the manual. Okay, so pretty simple unit. Size on this one, 7.5 inches. If you're interested in one of these meat slicers, feel free to go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update all the information regarding this unit on there, including the price for this exact meat slicer. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this meat slicer, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.